Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a long-time favorite among tennis beginners for over 25 years, and it's easy to see why. Designed to make learning the game enjoyable and less physically demanding, this best-selling racket combines lightweight construction with impressive power and forgiveness. Weighing just 8.96 ounces, it's easy to swing and helps reduce strain on the shoulder and elbow, making it ideal for long practice sessions or casual matches. One of the standout features of the Hyper Hammer is how effortlessly it generates power and spin. Beginners can quickly develop depth and topspin on their shots, helping them progress faster and experiment with different shot shapes. The racket's well-balanced feel also inspires confidence on serves, allowing new players to find consistency without feeling overwhelmed. The oversized 110 square inch head is especially beginner-friendly, offering a large, forgiving sweet spot that minimizes the impact of off-center hits. This extra forgiveness translates into easier serves, cleaner returns, and more successful rallies, even as you're still refining your technique. At 27.5 inches long, the extended length adds extra leverage for power without sacrificing control. What truly sets the latest Hyper Hammer apart is its value. It delivers the performance and feel of a mid-range racket at a beginner-friendly price, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious players just starting their tennis journey. If you want comfort, easy power, and forgiveness in one reliable package, the Wilson Hyper Hammer is a smart place to begin. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Well-designed and trusted by players at every level of the game, including numerous professionals, the Babolat name is synonymous with quality and performance. It's no surprise that renowned coach Rick Matchy says Babolat is a brand that I always come back to. The Babolat Boost series, and especially the Boost S, is purpose-built for beginners who want a racket that helps them improve quickly without unnecessary complexity. The Boost S is designed to deliver an extra boost of power on every shot while maintaining a comfortable, controlled feel that performs well across all areas of the game. With a 9.8-ounce weight, it strikes an ideal balance. Light enough for effortless swings and reduced arm fatigue, yet solid enough to drive through the ball with confidence. This makes it perfect for players who want easy power without losing control as they develop proper technique. Its 102 square inch head size offers a forgiving sweet spot, helping beginners enjoy cleaner contact and more consistent results on serves, returns, and ground strokes. At a standard 27-inch length, the Boost S feels natural and maneuverable, making it easy to adapt to as your skills progress. One of the biggest advantages of the Babolat Boost S is its outstanding value. Even more affordable than many comparable models, it sits right in the sweet spot for beginners looking to level up from basic entry-level rackets. If you want a lightweight, confidence-inspiring racket from a brand trusted by pros, the Babolat Boost S is an excellent choice to start your tennis journey. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's be upfront, the Wilson Clash 108 V2 isn't a budget racket. But if you're serious about learning tennis or simply appreciate premium quality, this is one of the most comfortable and confidence-inspiring rackets a beginner can buy. Designed with Wilson's advanced flexibility technology, the Clash 108 V2 delivers exceptional arm comfort while still providing responsive power and impressive control. This racket strikes a rare balance that beginners truly benefit from. The controlled power helps you keep shots accurate, while the stable, responsive feel supports players working on every part of their game, from serves and returns to baseline rallies and net play. With a generous 108 square inch head size, the Clash 108 V2 features an enlarged sweet spot that boosts forgiveness and minimizes mishits, making it far more enjoyable for players still developing consistency. Weighing 10.48 ounces, it feels solid and premium in the hand without being difficult to swing. The slightly extended 27.25-inch length adds extra leverage for power on serves and ground strokes, while maintaining excellent maneuverability. This makes it ideal for beginners who want performance they won't quickly outgrow. While the upfront cost is higher than many entry-level rackets, the value becomes clear over time. A racket of this caliber is built to last for years of regular play, outperforming and outlasting most cheaper, sub-$100 options. For beginners who see themselves sticking with the sport, the Wilson Clash 108 V2 is a smart long-term investment that delivers comfort, forgiveness, and high-end performance from day one. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. Another excellent value pick from one of tennis's most trusted brands, the Head Geo Speed is designed to give new and recreational players everything they need to enjoy the game without overspending. With a large 105 square inch head size and a strong, durable construction, this racket checks two of the most important boxes for beginners: forgiveness and reliability. The oversized hitting surface provides a generous sweet spot that helps reduce mishits and keeps the ball in play, even when contact isn't perfect. This makes learning strokes, serves, and returns far more enjoyable for new players still developing consistency. Weighing 10.4 ounces, the Geo Speed offers a solid, stable feel that helps absorb impact while still being easy enough to swing for most beginners. One of the standout features is its extended 27.5-inch length. This extra reach is especially helpful for smaller players or anyone with shorter, developing swings, as it adds leverage and power with less effort. At the same time, the longer length benefits all beginners by making it easier to generate depth on ground strokes and extra pop on serves. No one is going to confuse the Geo Speed with a premium, pro-level racket, and that's perfectly fine. This model is built for accessibility, comfort, and value rather than elite competition. For new players, casual hitters, or anyone looking to add a reliable recreational racket for weekend matches, the Head Geo Speed delivers an excellent feature-to-dollar ratio. It's a smart, budget-friendly choice that lets you focus on learning, improving, and having fun on the court. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. You may not be ready to invest in a pro-level tennis racket, but that doesn't mean you have to miss out on technology trusted by the world's best players. Novak Djokovic, a longtime world number 1, has relied on head rackets for well over a decade, proof of the brand's elite performance pedigree. That same design philosophy carries over into this affordable, beginner-friendly oversized racket. Built to help new players succeed from day one, this racket features a massive 115 square inch head that creates an extremely forgiving sweet spot. Off-center hits still fly cleanly over the net, allowing beginners to rally longer and build confidence faster. The lightweight 8 ounces, unstrung, construction makes it easy to swing, reducing arm fatigue and helping players generate effortless power even with shorter or developing strokes. The extended 27.75-inch length adds extra reach and leverage, making serves more powerful and ground strokes deeper without requiring advanced technique. Whether you're just learning proper form or playing casually on weekends, this racket makes it possible to hit shots that feel smooth, powerful, and surprisingly controlled. While it's one of Head's more pared-down models, that simplicity is part of its appeal. You get proven brand technology, durability, and performance without paying for features beginners don't yet need. With a sub-$100 price tag, it stands out as one of the best feature-to-dollar values available. For new players who want comfort, forgiveness, and a touch of championship-inspired performance, this Head oversized racket is an excellent place to start.